Welcome to a video on continuity. So we say that a function is continuous if you can actually draw the whole graph without lifting the pencil off the paper. If it turns out to be discontinuous at a particular point, let's say A, then what you would write is discontinuity at x equals the A value, so whatever the x value happens to be. Here's an example of a continuous function, y equals x cubed, something that we've done previously. You can obviously draw that without lifting your pen or pencil off the page. Discontinuous is y equals negative 1 over x, and we've looked at this graph before. It is a hyperbola, and its discontinuity at x equals 0. And finally, a discontinuous function for y equals 4 over x squared minus 4, something we will look at later, and its discontinuity is at x equals minus 2 and at x equals 2. So it's actually got two values where it discontinues. Thank you.